Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add camera shake effect in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, as you can see, this is the video that I want to add shake to. So we just go to your effects, go to your open effects, search your shake, camera shake, as you can see right here, drag it right here. And then from there, all you have to do is actually go to your inspector. As you can see, it's already right here. You'll have to manage your pan amplitude, which is your horizontal. This is your vertical, which is your tilt. And then scroll down again. You'll have to go to your blanking handling, and you'll manage your crop. Zoom right here. It's too cropped, so you wanna let it go back forth there. So let's see. And let's try to play it back right here. And there you go guys, it's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.